Hi, welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, I am Kathy and I do food and product reviews. And today I have the gluten-free Oreos. They came out this week. I found them at Walmart. Curious to try these. I really don't eat gluten-free. I posted these on my Instagram story yesterday and I got a message from someone that said his wife was going to love these or was going to be excited. I said, well, maybe if they taste good. Said they're probably going to be crumbly. So this morning I called one of my best friends, Michelle. She has been eating gluten-free for several years now, I think. But I asked her what her thoughts were on gluten-free cookies, and she agreed they are crumbly. She said there are some that are good, but I guess most of them taste like sawdust. So we're going to find out. So in these they use white rice flour. So in case you want to see all the ingredients for yourself, I will put it in the description. Oh, these also come in the double stuff also, and Walmart did have those, but I prefer the original Oreo, so that's why I didn't get the double stuff, because I prefer the original. But anyway, I thought it would be fun to compare it to the original, because it's great that these are gluten-free, but if they taste like crap, you know, what's the point? So I'm going to try to do a blindfold taste test of these, but if the texture is different on the cookie, I'm going to feel it and I won't be able to do it. So let me open them up and see. Smells like an Oreo. Looks like an Oreo. That must be an Oreo. So I don't know. So the texture feels the same. Of course, when I break it, it's probably going to be different. But so yeah, I'll compare the two. Of course, there's the other one. Let's see, compare. So, there you go. So, the gluten-free actually look a little lighter, but it could just be the lighting. I don't know. Very similar. So one thing I was wondering about before these came out, if the price would be a lot higher. I think when the new flavors do come out, I don't know, I want to say they're a little bit higher, I'm not sure. But I thought they were for some reason. Okay, so the regular pack of Oreos, not the family pack, it was $2.93, and the gluten-free Oreo was $3.67. Not bad. It's what, 74 cents different. There are 33 cookies in the gluten-free and 36 in the original Oreo. Okay, so on the back here I'll put an A and a B. You can see the B. And I have two bags. A and B. Do you think I'm cheating? I don't have anyone here to help me right now, so I gotta do it myself. Alright, so A is the original Oreo. Let's see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna put it in this bag. Alright. And then B with the B bag. Alright. I even have a blindfold. I'm going to put it in this bag. I'm going to put on my blindfold. Alright. You can't see. My hair is probably a mess, but okay. Alright, so remember, A was the original, B was the gluten-free. So this way. You can see, I guess that's the right side, I don't know. Whatever side I had the letter on. Okay. So. Pretty good. Tastes like an Oreo. Alright, got that film on my mouth, on the roof of my mouth. Alright. There, I'll put that one over here. Here's the next one. Whatever the label is. Alright. There you go. It's not bad, but I think this is the gluten-free. And it was. It's not bad at all, really. Still get that. Could have been from the other one, but it's actually good. I almost think it would be like it's a knockoff Oreo. Definitely doesn't taste like sawdust. Much better than sawdust. Not that I've ever had sawdust, but I wouldn't know these are gluten-free at all. Not at all. Texture of it seems the same to me. I'm impressed. I am impressed. Yeah, you eat gluten-free, you can't have gluten, and you miss Oreos. Yeah, definitely a winner. I went in with low expectations, because especially after she said a lot of it tastes like sawdust, I went in with very low expectations. So, pleasantly surprised. So as far as nutrition goes, they are basically the same. 3 cookies have 160 calories, 7 grams of fat, 2 saturated fat. These have 5 more milligrams of sodium, which is 135. 25 carbs, 14 sugar. This has 14 added sugar. This has 13 added sugar. And 1 gram of protein. So don't go in thinking that gluten-free are any healthier for you, because they're not. It's just if your body doesn't like gluten, yeah, this is a very good alternative to the original. Very, very surprised. If you eat gluten-free and you've tried these, let me know what you think. I would love to hear others' opinion on them. And if you don't eat gluten-free, you'd probably still like them, because, I don't know, but I guess if you don't eat gluten-free, you might as well get these, because you get 3 more cookies and they're cheaper. But 74 cents different. I didn't think that was bad, because a lot of the gluten-free stuff is more expensive. A lot more than 74 cents. So I didn't think that was bad at all. So yeah, definitely surprised, and it gets my seal of approval. So yeah, so let me know in the comments below. Alright, so today I have something else from the box that Christopher sent me. And it's funny, when I got the box, you know, I looked through it, and I don't think I'd seen any of the stuff before, but I was at Kroger the other day and I actually saw these chips in the international food section. So, shrimp chips. These are interesting to me. They're wheat puff snacks. Do they taste like shrimp? You know, I like shrimp, but shrimp in a chip? I don't know. What? Oh. 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 Lexi, I wish I had smell-o-vision here, because just think of a dead fish washed up. That's what it smells like. I don't know about these. I mean, oh, okay. So definitely doesn't taste like it smells, thank goodness, because just to smell these, to guess the flavor, I would say dead fish. And thankfully, not dead fish. There's actually not a lot of flavor. It just tastes like a wheat puff, I guess. It almost tastes like veggie straws, something like that. Oh, wait. I got a hint of shrimp there. But not like fresh shrimp, no. It was more like old shrimp. I don't know why I put that back in my mouth. Alright, so yeah. So crazy that I'd never seen these before, and then there they were at Kroger. So yeah. So thank you, Christopher. I appreciate it. Something I would probably never buy again, but it was fun to try. If you've ever had these, let me know what you think of them in the comments below. Alright, if you liked the video, hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please think about hitting that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, stay safe, and I will see you next time. Bye!